Have you ever wondered, what is TypeScript and why should you use it? Well, TypeScript is essentially a superset of JavaScript developed by tech giant Microsoft. It enhances JavaScript by adding optional static typing, allowing developers to catch errors during the development phase rather than at runtime. This makes your code more reliable and easier to maintain. But how does TypeScript achieve this? Well, TypeScript code is transpiled into JavaScript code, which means it can smoothly run on any JavaScript engine or platform. Now you might be asking, why should I use TypeScript? Let me explain. TypeScript introduces static typing, which improves your code reliability by helping to catch errors during development. It also offers enhanced tooling support, providing code editors with intelligent autocompletion, refactoring, and type checking. Moreover, TypeScript makes your code easier to understand, maintain, and refactor, improving its overall maintainability. It also fosters better collaboration by using type annotations as documentation for functions and APIs, which is particularly useful for teams working on large projects. In addition, TypeScript seamlessly integrates with existing JavaScript libraries and frameworks. This allows you to leverage the vast JavaScript ecosystem without having to reinvent the wheel. Let's dig a little deeper into some of the key features and benefits of TypeScript. Firstly, TypeScript allows developers to specify types for variables, parameters, and return values, which greatly reduces runtime errors. It supports interfaces, enabling you to define custom data types and enforce contracts. TypeScript also includes modern JavaScript features such as arrow functions, classes, modules, and async await. Secondly, TypeScript ensures null safety with features like strict null checks to prevent null and undefined errors. It also has a type inference system that automatically infers types based on context, reducing the need for explicit type annotations. Thirdly, TypeScript enhances code readability. Its static typing and type annotations make the code more self-documenting and easier to understand. It also provides stronger tooling support and ecosystem integration, integrating with popular code editors like Visual Studio Code. Finally, TypeScript allows for incremental adoption, meaning that developers can gradually migrate existing JavaScript codebases to TypeScript. But like any technology, TypeScript is not without its disadvantages. Developers familiar with JavaScript might need time to learn TypeScript's additional features and syntax. Also, TypeScript code needs to be transpiled into JavaScript before execution, which adds an extra build step to the development process. In comparison with JavaScript, TypeScript adds static typing interfaces and advanced features on top of JavaScript. JavaScript is dynamically typed, while TypeScript offers optional static typing for enhanced code safety. TypeScript also provides better tooling support and ecosystem integration compared to plain JavaScript. In conclusion, TypeScript offers many advantages for modern web development, especially in large-scale projects where code reliability and maintainability are crucial. However, developers should consider their specific project requirements and team skill set before adopting TypeScript.